Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Underdog Reacts and we're gonna try some beer. It's not so sober Saturday, and yesterday we watched the movie Werewolves. So let's do a wolf. This is Howling Wolf Porter from Two Chefs Brewing. I read here experience enchanting effects of roasted coffee and dark chocolate. So I don't know. I don't know that. This is 6% of alcohol. Ooh, smells like a beer. Cheers. Maybe this is maybe the first time, but maybe I taste just a slight hint of that coffee that I read about on the back. It's not my favorite, definitely not. Just give me a regular Grols or something like that. No, Bavaria. I don't like Bavaria beer. The brand Bavaria. I don't like the brand Bavaria. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have a slight aftertaste of coffee. It's not for me. It's definitely not for me. Um, 2 out of 5. It's not for me. But obviously, buy one, try one yourself. You can also go to www.twochefsbrewing.com. There's a website, standing here in the back. Well, it says Two Chefs, twochefsbrewing.com. Just look at the title if you want to go to the website. Maybe I will leave the website down below in the comment section if I think about it. Don't come after me if I forget. But don't forget to leave likes, recommend a good beer down below in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, come join Discord, and see you guys next time. But don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, to the main channel, Underdog Reviews, where we do movies every single day, or Underdog Reacts, my third channel, where we do primarily music. But link down below is in the description, and see you guys next time. Bye.